Hello students, today fresh morning and today we will discuss the chapter from organic chemistry hydrocarbons. Very interesting chapter. Earlier we already seen the chapter some basic concept of chemistry. Okay, now today is new start, that is the hydrocarbons. So let us see what is the meaning of hydrocarbons and which terms include in hydrocarbons. Okay, so this chapter is related to organic chemistry, and hydrocarbon means it is nothing but it includes hydrogen plus carbon. Okay, hydrogen plus carbons. In this chapter we are going to study the concept or terms, which is the terms that the term alkane, then alkene, then alkyne, and the aromatic compound or aromatic compounds. Okay, these terms are includes, or these articles includes in hydrocarbons, means either alkane, alkene, alkynes or aromatic. There is hydrocarbons means hydrogen and carbons. We are going to see one by one the meaning of alkane, then alkene, then alkyne, and then aromatic. Before starting that, you should know the some important points, that is the concept saturated hydrocarbon, and unsaturated hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So look here, the saturated hydrocarbon का मतलब है कार्बन कार्बन और कार्बन हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड. Okay, in saturated hydrocarbon there is कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड like this, इसमें सिंगल बॉन्ड रहता है. और अनसैचुरेटेड मीन्स इट कंटेन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड और कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. So this is all about the terms saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated. In organic chemistry, it is very important term saturated. When there is word saturated, immediately you should remind that saturated means the compound is single bonded, and single bonded compound means there is sigma bond. This is the sign of sigma. Single bond compound means sigma bond. And unsaturated compound means you should immediately remind that unsaturated means there should be double or triple bond, and when there is double and triple bond, the compound contain the pi bond. The compound contain the pi bond. This is the symbol of pi. Understand? So this alkane is a saturated compounds. Alkane carries saturated compounds, means alkane carbon carbon single bond. This alkene unsaturated, but in unsaturated alkene carries double bond compound, and alkyne unsaturated, and in unsaturated alkyne carries triple bonded compound. Okay, so you understand the basic things related to hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means is include the study of hydrogen and carbons. Okay, and hydrocarbons there is study of alkane, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compound. And in hydrocarbon there is two terms: saturated hydrocarbon, carbon carbon single bond; unsaturated hydrocarbon, carbon carbon double or carbon carbon triple bond. And the aromatic hydrocarbon means there should be, in 10th standard you already studied that aromatic compound which obeys the rules, Huckel's rules, 4n plus 2 pi electron. Okay, and there is the cyclic compound having alternate single and double bond. Okay, so it is very interesting things, that is all about the hydrocarbons. Understand? Be cool and try to understand all these things which written here. Okay, aromatic compound means there should be the study of alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatic compound, and either this compound contain saturated hydrocarbon or unsaturated. Saturated means carbon carbon single bond, means sigma bond is present. Unsaturated means carbon carbon double or triple bond, means pi bond is present. Understand? If you understand these things, then we are going to focusing on the first article, that is the alkane, first hydrocarbon, that is the alkanes. Okay, so let us discuss some points related to the alkane. अब हम alkane के बारे में कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे. So alkane is commonly called as पैराफिन्स. अल्केन को कॉमनली पैराफिन्स कहा जाता है. पैराफिन्स, कीप इन माइंड द वर्ड अल्केन्स इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज पैराफिन्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पैराफिन्स? पैराफिन्स मीन्स, पैरा मीन्स लिटिल, para means little, and that is the paraffins. Affins means affinity, little affinity. Little affinity means paraffins, means it has very little attraction towards other compound, means alkane is having little affinity when it react to the other compound, means alkane is less reactive, or you can so it is, you can call it as a no reaction. Alkane is no reactive. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दैट्स व्हाई अल्केन कॉल्ड एज पैराफिन्स. पैराफिन का मतलब होता है अल्केन जब दूसरे कंपाउंड के साथ रिएक्ट होता है तो इट शोज ओनली लिटिल एफिनिटी. इट शोज ओनली लिटिल एफिनिटी. सो अल्केन इज नो रिएक्टिव व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विथ other compound. Understand? So alkane is called as paraffins. Another important point is that the general formula of alkanes. Alkanes का जनरल फॉर्मूला है CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane. यह alkane का जनरल फॉर्मूला है. अगर आप n एक लेंगे then formula becomes CH4. If you take n is 1, integer as 1, then CH4. And it's very simple calculation. 1 C1. Here it is 1. So 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. So CH4. If you took n2, if you take n2, then C2 H6. If you take n is 3, then C3, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, C3 H8. If you take n as 4, then C4 4 to 8, 8 plus 2 10, C4 H10. If you take 5, then C5 H12. If you take 6, then C6 H14. If you take the 7, then C7 H16. If you take 8, then C8, then C8 8 to 16 plus 2 18. If you take 9, then C9, okay, 9 to 18 plus 2 20 is 20. And if you take 10, C10 H22. So this is the first 10 member of alkane, and we able to prepare this formula with the help of this general formula. So never forget the general formula of alkane, that is the CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so in nomenclature we will see the detailed naming, but in general you know the name of this first 10 member. This is the methane. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मीथेन. CH4 मीथेन. Then C2H6 you know ethane. Okay, C3H8 propane. Okay, 4 carbon. C4H10 4 carbon, so butane. Okay, C5H12 5 carbon, pentane. C6H14 6 carbon, hexane. Okay, then C7H16 7 carbon, heptane. 7 carbon, heptane. Then C8H18 8 carbon, octane. C9H20 9 carbon, nonane. And last C10H22 10 carbon, decane. Student, okay, so never forget this first 10 member. Understand? And we prepare this general formula, molecular formula, with the help of this general formula. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. Now here is now one important concept related to this all first 10 member. That concept, and I am going to write the name of that concept, is homologous series. homologous series. तो अब हम homologous series concept डिसाइड करेंगे. So what is the concept homologous series? Homologous series tells that the two successive alkanes means two nearly neighbors. Two successive alkanes differ by CH2 group. Two successive alkanes differ by CH2 group, means ये मीथेन है पहला और दूसरा इथेन। आप इसमें दोनों में कंपेयर करें तो आपको पता चलेगा इथेन में मीथेन से ज्यादा एक कार्बन है, यहाँ पे कार्बन एक है, यहाँ पे दो है, मीन्स एक कार्बन ज्यादा है। और इथेन और मीथेन के बीच अगर कंपेयर करेंगे तो हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन एक्स्ट्रा इन द इथेन, हियर इट इज 4 हाइड्रोजन, हियर इट इज 6, मीन्स 2 हाइड्रोजन एक्स्ट्रा, मीन्स डिपर बाय CH2 ग्रुप। अंडरस्टैंड? सेम वे अगर आप इथेन और प्रोपेन में कंपेयर करेंगे देन इट इज आल्सो डिफर बाय विच ग्रुप, CH2 ग्रुप, 1 carbon extra, 2 hydrogen extra, means each successive alkane is differ by CH2 group. Understand? And means they are differ by CH2 group as well as the difference between the molecular weight is successive member is 14. molecular weight में भी difference होगा, वो कितना होगा, 14. Understand? So this is all about homologous series. If anybody ask you what is the homologous series, then you should tell what homologous series means. Each successive member is differ by CH2 group, means it is differ by the molecular weight 14. Successive member differ by the molecular weight 14. And the third important point is the alkane, means the members of the alkane having the difference between the two members is CH2 group. Understand? So this is all about the homologous series. You understand the homologous series? So never forget the homologous series. That is the successive member differ by CH2 group and the difference between molecular weight is 14. Okay? And the member which is included in the homologous series having shown same properties. Understand? So now next we are going to see about the isomerism. अब हम isomerism के बारे में some points यहाँ पे discuss करेंगे. So write down this, ये आप write करें. Very important point, homologous series, and important concept, that is the alkane, and the important chapter hydrocarbon. Okay, write all these things. Okay, can I rub this? Okay, yes. Now we are going to start what? The isomerism. अब हम isomerism के बारे में discuss करेंगे. और आइसोमेरिज्म डिस्कस करने के बाद अगले लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे नॉमेनक्लेचर. बस फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर वेयर लास्ट पॉइंट दैट इज द आइसोमेरिज्म. हम डिस्कस करने जाने वाले हैं क्या? आइसोमेरिज्म. आइसोमेरिज्म. सो स्टूडेंट्स टेक अटेंशन हियर, द कंसेप्ट आइसोमेरिज्म. मैं यहां पे एक अल्केन का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला लिखने जा रहा हूं. सो लुक द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C4H10. You know C4 means butane. In chemistry, by the molecular formula you should immediately judge the name of the compound, at least for the hydrocarbon. C4H10, so it is the butane. Okay, so this is the molecular formula, and now I am going to write some interesting things below that. So look carefully. Here it is, this one thing. Now then another thing I am going to write here. So students, we are here discussing the isomerism, and by observing which is written here, what is the conclusion? that look here, यहाँ पे C4H10 ब्यूटेन है. अब हम ये देखेंगे ब्यूटेन के नीचे जो दो स्ट्रक्चर हमने निकाले हैं, what is the molecular formula for that? पहला स्ट्रक्चर, first we are going to count the carbon, 1 2 3 4 carbon. Okay, then we are going to count the hydrogen, 3 2, हे 2 नंबर है, ये this is the 2 number, this is also 2 number, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, means C4H10. ये जो फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर है, it has the same molecular formula, that is the C4H10. Now what about this carbon? 1 2 3 4, C4. Hydrogen 3 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, means these two structure having the same molecular formula. These two structure having the same molecular formula. Molecular formula same है, but is it structure is same? No, structure is different. So these two structures are isomerism to each other. Same molecular formula and different structural formula. So ये structural isomerism का type है. It is the type of structural isomerism. और स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म की खास बात है ये है कि मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम रहता है, स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट रहता है और प्रॉपर्टीज भी डिफरेंट रहेगी. मींस नोमेनक्लेचर में इसका नेम आगे आएगा, पर इन जनरल अगर हम यहाँ पे कॉमन नेम यहाँ पे मैं अभी लिखने जा रहा हूँ, आगे के लेक्चर में आपको नेमिंग सिखाई जाएगी, लेकिन अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए नेमिंग यहाँ पे लिखना जरूरी है. दिस इज द कॉमन नेम एन ब्यूटेन. IUPAC only butane, but common name N-butane मैंने लिखा. Here it is the common name isobutane. Isobutane. आइसो क्यों लिखा वो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे, लेकिन look here, this N-butane and isobutane, the common names, having the same molecular formula but different structural formula, and they have also having the different properties. So it is the structural isomerism. और structural isomerism में there is various type, that is the chain isomerism, then there is also position isomerism, and there is also chain isomerism, position isomerism, chain isomerism, position isomerism, and conformational isomerism. Conformational isomerism. So first we are going to discuss the chain isomerism because this is related to this point, chain isomerism. Chain isomerism means what? The two structure having the same molecular formula, but there is difference in chain. Look here, these two structure, the structure of N-butane and isobutane. The structure of N-butane and isobutane having the same molecular formula C4H10, but the difference in the chain. The structure first having the continuous chain, and the structure second having the branched chain, means difference in the chain. So these two are the chain isomerism to each other. Understand? So this is all about the chain isomerism, which is in the under the structural isomerism. तो हमने यहाँ पे आइसोमेरिज्म जो हमारे बुक में था, जितना कंसेप्ट उतना हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया. So never forget the isomerism. Same molecular formula, different structural formula, and if that in that structural formula, if there is first is the continuous chain and second is the branched chain, then it is related to chain isomerism. Okay, so students, आज हमने क्या किया, आज हमने हाइड्रोकार्बन की जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ली, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी. आगे के लेक्चर में हम थोड़ा और डीप इसमें जाएंगे, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन आज ली, वॉट एवर वी डिस्कस्ड टुडे, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट विच थिंग्स हाइड्रोकार्बन मीन्स the compounds include hydrogen and carbons. And in that hydrocarbons, we are going to study alkane, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic compound. And you know, in that saturated hydrocarbon means carbon-carbon, yes, single bond. Unsaturated means carbon-carbon, double or triple bond. Okay, understand? And tell me, carbon-carbon single bond means it is related to the alkenes, and alkene means carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes, carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, and now tell me, saturated compound or unsaturated, which contain the pi bond? Yes, I earlier discussed pi bonds related to unsaturated compound and sigma bond related to the saturated compound. Okay, understand? So this is all about the introduction for the hydrocarbon, and from next or tomorrow we will discuss next points of hydrocarbons. Okay, thanks.